Look into my eyes. I have the nanotech you desire. I swear I got nanoworm in my eye, eh? I'd seen a video on, I can't remember where it was actually now. It was a while ago, but I think it was a professor or something who was looking into the nanotech that was sprayed. Gosh, do I have to worry about my words with that? Anyway, he was showing these microtubules that you could, and he was saying that you could. Sorry, I'm dribbling a bit. I'm trying to put it all in focus. Gosh. So anyway, he was saying you were able to see them on the eye when you look at the sky or something, or a clear background. And I swear, because I watch the skies all the time, I've been aware of this for at least a couple of years, and I've got the odd dog hair in my eye and things like that. But about a week ago, I had something I couldn't shake, squirt, or anything out of my eye, and it's still there. I was just trying to figure out if I was watching a drone or not, and there's the same exact length, shape in my eye. So I've come in and flushed it with water, tried it, rubbed the crap out of it again, and I couldn't get rid of it. But what I did was, with the water, and it diffracted the light a bit, I guess, so where I could actually look at it, because most of the time I try and look at it, it moves. It's in a spot. I think it's burrowed in. Gosh. But yeah, man, I fully got a look at it for about 2 seconds, and it's exactly like what I saw under the microscope. It's got like it's like a worm with cell walls, and then a couple of like circular bits within it. And man, it looks like everything that's in those face diapers too. So anyone know how to get a nano worm out of your eye that's burrowing in? Anyway, also, yeah, I put up a lot of videos just because I'm trying to clear my storage. It seems no matter how much I clear, I keep running out of storage. It's nuts. But anyway, so my film, I used to be able to make about a 10-minute video. Got rid of a whole lot of stuff, so I could do that, and kept it low, kept deleting what I'd make, and all of a sudden I can't make a 3-minute video again. Anyway, today 500 troops are coming into Sydney on top of the 300. They're going hardcore till November, so I guess this is it. This is their make or break pumperoo session. Lockdown Sydney till November 2021. And they want everyone with the army squirted by then. So anyway, watch this channel. I'll broadcast my immediate demise if I can, unless it's too dark. Yeah, anyway, just laughing about it all, speculating, waiting for the knock on the door.